Why is the atlas C1 bone important for the spine? Imagine a tiny ring-shaped bone that acts like a pivot for your head. That's the atlas, or the first cervical vertebra, and it plays a vital role in your body's support system. This bone is part of the axial skeleton, which includes all the bones along your central axis. The axial skeleton's job is to support your head, neck, and trunk, and protect your vital organs. The atlas is unique among vertebrae because it doesn't have a typical body like other bones in your spine. Instead, it's shaped like a ring, with an anterior arch and a posterior arch, and two lateral masses that hold the weight of your skull. The main reason the atlas is so important is that it supports your skull. It forms a joint with the occipital condyles of your skull, called the atlanto-occipital joint. This joint lets you nod your head up and down, like when you say yes. The concave surfaces of the atlas cradle the skull, providing stability while allowing movement. Without this joint, your head would be stuck in one position. But the atlas does more than just support your head. It also connects to the second cervical vertebra, called the axis. The joint between them, called the atlantoaxial joint, allows you to shake your head side to side, like when you say no. The axis has a bony projection called the odontoid process or dens that fits into the ring of the atlas. This setup acts like a pivot point, enabling rotational movement. Strong ligaments, especially the transverse ligament, hold the dens in place and prevent it from slipping. Structurally, the atlas has a front part called the anterior arch and a back part called the posterior arch. The lateral masses on each side hold the articular facets, which connect with the skull and the axis. These attachments are essential for head movements and for stabilizing the neck. The ring shape of the atlas also creates a canal through which the spinal cord passes. This design helps protect the spinal cord at the top of your spine, right where your brain connects to your body. In summary, the atlas is key because it supports your skull and transmits its weight to the spine. It allows you to nod and turn your head thanks to its joints with the skull and the axis. It also protects your spinal cord at the top of your neck. The bones, joints, and ligaments of the atlas work together to give you mobility and support, making it a crucial part of your skeletal system. Without the atlas, your head would be much less mobile, and your spinal cord would be at risk of injury.